Thanks for joining us. Our own Kate Lockwell is reporting live from the refugee ship Skinnerd 2 in orbit around the planet Meinhof.
Donnie, the death toll out here is soaring. Massive refugee fleets like this one are struggling to reach the safety of the core worlds. Many of them won't. They're short on food, water, and
Kate, we'll
hope.
discuss how the Dominion will rescue those worlds when we get there.
There's a lot of talk about rescue among the refugees, but they're pinning their hopes on paramilitary and rebel groups such as Rainer's...
Great report, Kate. Live from a refugee ship over Meinhof, where everyone eagerly awaits the Dominion's return. Up next, a Vermilion commentary. Refugees. Are they really our responsibility?
You're all heart, Donnie.
Never thought we'd be back on Meinhof again. Oh, we broke our backs trying to make a life on that rock. Kelmorians squeezing us dry. The day we rose up, we just couldn't take it anymore, you know?
I feel you. Man's got a duty to stand up and be counted sometimes.
Oh, hell, we were stupid. Having right on your side ain't no match for Goss guns and combat walkers. A lot of folks died for nothing. If you hadn't shown up when you did...
Hey, your people bought their own freedom. Paid for it in blood. Me and Matt, we were just glad to help. Well, Ariel, found a world for your people yet?
Yes, an unclaimed planet called Haven. It's near the edge of Protoss space, but it seems safe enough.
It'll have to do. Your people need to lay low for a while.
Aren't either of you worried the colonists might be infested?
How could you even suggest that? They're perfectly healthy.
I hope so, Ariel. The Protoss don't mess around when it comes to infestation. Just in case, maybe you should start looking into some kind of cure for the Zerg virus.
Conventional wisdom says a cure is impossible. The virus mutates too fast. But I'll look into it.
Just do what you can. That's all anyone's asking.
Kerrigan's learning some new tricks. The infestation on Meinhof seemed particularly virulent.
It's about the worst thing I can imagine. Losing who you are like that, all the while being slowly twisted into a damn monster.
If any of Dr. Hansen's people on Haven are infested...
I know. It's just a matter of time before the Protoss come looking for him. Still, I have a history with the Protoss. If it comes to that, maybe I can talk them down.
I'm working on a cure for the Zerg virus. I just hope my people won't need it.
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis. They're running a large number of supply trains with minimal security.
I hear the mighty Jim Raynor's on the move, but short on...
Redstone. Heck of a place. I ever mention how much I hate volcanic planets?
Good to see you made it. They call me Taj. You help me mine the minerals I need, and I'll make it worth your while.
What's the catch?
Well, this place is a little unstable. The low ground gets flooded with lava every few minutes. Of course, that's where the richest mineral nodes are found. But that'll be no problem for a big, tough guy like you.
Sir, I'm also picking up Zerg biosignatures on the surface. We'll need to spend some of what we mine just to defend the operation. The more we spend, the longer this is gonna take.
Lava and Zerg. Two of my favorite things. Let's do this.
in?
But been waiting on you.
Huh?
This better be good. Armed and ready. You gonna give me orders?
Go ahead. Big job, huh?
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Lava's rising. Get those SCVs to high ground, right now.
Yeah. Sure thing. Yep. I'm going. We hear you.
Add-on complete.
What's going on? Uh-huh. Yo. Roger.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
This counter shows the estimated time until the next lava surge. Move all units and structures to high ground when a surge is imminent.
Numbers, boys. I'm on it. Who wants some? Aye, aye, sir. Of course. Been waiting on you. Go, go, go! This better be good. Sure. You got it. Got it. Why not?
SCV ready.
I got some friends coming to help you out. Reapers.
Reapers, you say? Hell, cowboy, we gotta train more of these guys. They're seriously badass.
Got some Liberman kill. Nothing I can. What's it worth? What? You want some?
SCV ready. Sure thing. We hear you.
I'm listening. Been waiting on you. Death from above. Oh yeah, baby. Yes, indeed. Fair enough. Certainly. I'm going. Agreed. Done. On the way. Let's do this. All right. Done. Agreed. Oh yeah, baby.
Tosh sent you to help? About time. Let's finish up this contract and get the hell off this planet.
Fear the Reaper, man. Yes, indeed. Nothing I can't. On the way. Got something for me to kill. Nothing I can't handle. Fair enough. Oh, that's all?
Bad news? Yeah. Sure thing.
Been waiting on you. What's it worth? All right, certainly. Fair enough.
Huh? Go ahead. Gotcha.
Death from above.
SCV ready.
Done. Agreed. I'm going.
Add-on complete.
Sir, scanners show a large biosignature close to your position. A Brutalist, I think. If you could kill it, that'd get our research off to a flying start.
Oh, baby. Yes, indeed. Certainly. Yes, indeed. Let's do this. Oh, yeah, baby. Done. Oh, that's all? Agreed. All right. On the way. I'm going. Let's do this. Certainly. Nothing I can't handle.
Base is under attack.
On the way. Nothing I can't handle. Fair enough. This better be good. Order. The Grim Reaper has arrived. Who wants some? Sure.
Mineral field depleted.
What? You want something? Fair enough. Got something for me to kill? Agreed. Certainly. The Grim Reaper has arrived. Huh? We hear you.
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
Just a reminder, sir. The more minerals we expend on forces, the longer it's going to take to reach our goal. Try to be economical.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Who wants some? You scared me. I'm listening. Big job, huh? I'm going.
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations.
Ah! You scared me! Woohoo! Overtime!
What's it worth? Yes, and death from a... The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Huh?
Done. All right.
Mineral field depleted.
I'm going. Certainly.
SCV ready.
Nothing I can't.
Armed and ready.
Base is under attack.
Do this. Fair enough.
You gonna give me orders? Yes, sir. Of course. Move it!
Got something for me to kill? Certainly. Fear the reap. What? You want something? Nothing I can't handle. Agreed.
SCV ready.
Done. All right. Let's do this. Here's the gap from what's it worth? I'm listening.
Mineral field depleted.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Mineral field depleted.
That's all. I'm going. On the way. Agreed. Enough. Nothing I can't handle. Certainly. Oh, yeah.
Since you're doing right by me, I'll do right by you. Here's the coordinates of the nearest mineral nodes.
Depleted.
In the rear with the gear. Bad news? Go ahead. I'm going.
Got something for me to kill? Fear the Reaper, man. I'm listening. Oh, that's all? I'm going.
Big job, huh? Huh?
What? You want something? Nothing I can't handle. On the...
Mineral field.
Your men walk fast. We've already got half the minerals we need.
Fair enough. Nothing I can't handle. Done. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. All right. Let's do this.
Ah! You scared me!
What's it worth? Oh yeah, baby. I'm going. Death from above.
Mineral field depleted.
Fear the Reaper Man.
Mineral field depleted.
Done. Agreed. SCV ready.
Base is under attack. Mineral field depleted.
Certainly. Fair enough. Armed and ready.
Mineral field depleted.
Fear the Reaper Man.
Mineral field depleted.
On the way. Done. Reaper has arrived. That's all? Certainly. Yes, all right. Fair enough. Nothing I can. I'm going. Yeah, baby. Big job, huh?
Seismic activity is increasing. Caution is advised.
Sure. Go ahead. I'm listening. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Alert. Lava surge imminent. Evacuate low ground immediately.
Huh? What? You want something?
All clear. It is now safe to proceed with mining operations. Zone.
Who wants some? Gangway, coming through. In the rear with the gear. Fear the Reaper Man. What's going on? Uh-huh. God, what's it worth? All right, done. I'm going. Nothing I can't handle. Agreed. Bad news? Yeah. This better be good.
Unacceptable landing zone.
Ah! You scared me! You gonna give me orders? By the number.
Mineral field depleted. Base is under attack.
Death from above.
Almost done, Mr. Reyna. Just a few more minerals to go.
Roger. Armed and ready.
Mineral field depleted.
I'm listening. Oh yeah, baby.
Mineral field depleted.
Must be an emergency.
Mineral field depleted.
On the way. Done. Yes, indeed. Certainly. I'm going. Nothing I can't handle. All right. Now, fair enough. Phew. Death from above. Oh, that's all? Let's do this. Agreed. Let's do this. All right. Nothing I can't handle. Agreed.
Mineral field depleted.
Done. Fair enough. Oh yeah, baby. On the way. Oh, that's all? Certainly. Yes, indeed. Yeah, baby. Let's do this. Agreed.
All right, boys, nice work. We got what we came for. Now let's get out of this hellhole.
Finished already? You really are as good as they say, Mr. Reyna. I'm thinking you and I got a lot more business we could be talking about.